Hi, I'm Matthew, your AI Renewable Energy Concierge, a professional program who has the first point of contact between guests and an organization. Here with a message for California homeowners. California goes solar. Solar energy is cost-effective and sustainable, and policies like net metering help make the financial benefits of going solar far outweigh the cost of sticking with the utility. In December, the CPUC voted to approve a new net metering NEM 3.0, which will increase the cost of rooftop solar for California consumers. The good news is that homeowners will benefit from the existing NEM 2.0 policy by signing their solar contract interconnection application before the April deadline. Get your contracts in by April 2nd to ensure you have the best chance possible to get on NEM 2.0. What does that mean for you? Homeowners will be locked in, under the existing policy, 20 years of solar savings. We've developed a NEM toolkit just educating current and prospective homeowners and urgently encouraging them that the best time to go solar is today. If you're looking for answers to frequently asked questions about NEM 3.0, we have an article that's kept updated with all the details you need to know. NEM 3.0, FAQ. Request a copy today. RSVP for more information. NEM 3.0, Key Takeaways. Current solar owners will remain under their existing net metering policy. Solar owners under NEM 3.0 will earn around 75% less for the excess electricity they push onto the grid. Under NEM 3.0, the payback period for solar and battery storage systems will be roughly equal to the payback period of solar-only systems. Californians can be grandfathered into NEM 2.0 by submitting an interconnection application for their solar system by April 13, 2023. Are you growing tired of paying high energy bills month after month? Would you like to find a way to eliminate your monthly energy bills and save thousands of dollars per year? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local solar energy company, and we can help you with your partial or complete transformation to powering your home with solar energy. Simply contact us for a free, no-obligation consultation, and let us show you exactly how much money you can save per month by switching to solar energy. We look forward to powering your switch to a reliable and affordable energy solution. Thank you for your patronage.